So this na BBC Pidgin Live for where fire dey burn for the plank market for Ebute Metta here for Lagos. The fire just started about a few minutes ago, and when I see the level of destruction where the fire don't cause, it don't level most part of this market where people also they live. When I see how people they rush, they carry their properties, they come up for house. People where they manage stay for this area. This place don't be in existence for a very long time. It is as old as Lagos State itself. The big fire when I see there now, the church where most of the people where they there they go worship. The fire just catch the church now. The people they try to move their things because the way where the fire they take spread, nobody fit contain them. Then no fit do anything because even water they near the fire. This place they near Lagoon for Lagos. As now they see the people now they see them are people where they live inside those shanties. Everybody they run up and down. They try move their things come out. The things where their hands fit touch before fire go touch them. And as it be, this fire don't cause some kind traffic on top Third Mainland Bridge. Build up sake of this fire where they happen there. So from the distance right there, they feel the heat of the fire. That part to tell you how heavy that fire is. I don't see the thick smoke where the fire they cause, and the bad thing be say plenty people they live inside here. Apart from say that they sell plank for here, plenty people they live here. Now the people when I don't see so where they try to rescue some of their personal belongings, but the fire they spread fast. From inside that community, you now go see crowd of people. Don't they gather there? This now the plank market for Ebute Metta, where plenty shanties also the fire start just some minutes ago, up to 1 hour now, and it don't cause major destruction. It don't level many places, many houses, many shops, many equipment, so that they use cut wood. How fire service go take enter there sef na wahala, because this place they just near water. It dey near water. It dey near by the lagoon for Lagos. And I see as people they run, they try to salvage wetin they go fit from this big fire. And as we talk, here na the 3rd mainland bridge for Lagos, traffic don dey build for the 3rd mainland sake of this fire. Police dey somewhere around to make sure say nobody break the law, but destruction no happen for the plank market for Ebute Metta. We never know wetin cause the fire. We never know wetin cause the fire, but the fire dey spread. As we talk, that ogbonge fire wey come out there na the church wey it just level, na the church wey dey inside that place with that. Plenty people dey stop to look, but nobody fit do anything, because as una see na 3rd mainland bridge with this, and the place where the fire dey burn na near the lagoon front. The fire dey spread, it dey spread very fast. Now that spot from there where the fire starts from, and the fire don't reach there. Nobody actually can do anything. We don't know how the Lagos State Emergency Agency go take enter there, come quench this fire. This now the plank market for Ebute Metta area of Lagos. Now see people they try to see, to come fetch water to see whether they go fit, just try their luck. But our help go take reach there now, no problem. Now see people they try see whether they fit get small water. But the Lagos Transport Agency don't also reach here. They try control the traffic on top 3rd mainland. We've been telling us say the fire, because some traffic way down the stretch on top the 3rd mainland bridge, but the traffic agency don't come to control the traffic.